So I recently purchased this. This is my first time purchasing the spoon and fork for toddlers. I already have their mugs and bowls and plates. The reason I don't like this one is very light to use, and it's also made in USA, and it comes with a container for to go. The only thing that I noticed is this part. Maybe I can just sand it off or something because it's kind of sharp. Yeah, but overall it gave 10 out of 10.
So we just got this and it came with the hair. You see the pube or whatever it is. We haven't opened it. Nothing. I'll open this. It's just the hair inside of it. So I'm gonna say no, pretty gross.